Started this topic by saying that the circulatory system is made up of the heart, the blood, and blood vessels. Now let's look at blood component part of it. The blood component. Blood. Blood is a tissue that appears to be a fluid in the body. Even though it is a fluid, the blood itself is made up of solid cells known as corpuscles and liquid plasma. Now let's look at the solid cells, the corpuscles. The corpuscles are one, erythrocyte, which is also known as red blood corpuscles or red blood cells. 2, the leukocytes, which is also known as white blood corpuscles or white blood cells. The other one that looks like fragments of tissue is referred to as thrombocytes. Or the platelets. Now, the erythrocytes, let's look at their functions. Functions of blood. Now, taking the functions of the blood. 1. Blood carries respiratory gases. That is carbon dioxide, and oxygen. With the help of hemoglobin in the red blood